Welcome to the Wagh Institute of Engineering Education and Research, home to a cutting-edge AICE Idea Lab, a hub for innovation and learning. Let's delve into the world of possibilities that this lab has unlocked. Started in 2021, the AICE Idea Lab is a unique initiative by the All India Council for Technical Education, with only 49 institutions selected nationwide. Wagh Institute proudly stands as the sole institute in Savitribai Phule Pune University chosen in the initial phase. The Idea Lab focuses on idea development, evaluation, and application, offering students and teachers an immersive experience in 21st century skills, teaching learning processes, and hands-on projects. The total grant of Rs 1.1 crore fuels this initiative, with a 50% contribution from both AICD and the institute and industry. Let's explore the state-of-the-art equipment powering the AICE Idea Lab. Revolutionizing prototyping, the 3D printing machine transforms digital models into physical objects with speed and precision, crucial for industries like manufacturing and healthcare. Precision cutting at its best. The CO2 laser cutting machine is essential for industries requiring intricate designs and detailing in materials like wood, acrylic, and metal. Capturing the physical geometry of objects, the 3D scanner is indispensable for reverse engineering, prototyping, and various industries, providing accurate representations for analysis, design, and replication. Unleashing aerial perspectives. The Drone Lab explores the versatile applications of unmanned aerial vehicles, transforming industries from photography to agriculture and surveillance. Craftsmanship at its finest. The CNC wood router, controlled by computer-aided design software, enables intricate woodworking projects, a must-have for craftsmen and manufacturers. Versatile and vibrant. The vinyl cutter printer combines cutting and printing capabilities, creating custom designs on vinyl for graphic design and signage production, fostering creativity and innovation. The Arduino Controller Kit is a versatile electronics platform ideal for learning and experimenting with programming and circuitry. At the heart of electronic system development, the VLSI Lab features advanced tools like Cadence, MATLAB, Proteus, and ANSYS, with a PCB milling machine offering efficient production of custom PCBs. The AICE Idea Lab isn't just about equipment, it's a thriving hub of activities. Open from 8 o'clock a.m. to 8 o'clock p.m., and even overnight on demand, students from all disciplines are actively engaged in various projects. We've conducted numerous programs and welcomed eminent industry professionals and academicians to guide our students. AICE Idea Lab, where innovation meets opportunity. Explore, create, and be part of a journey that goes beyond boundaries.